Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to your Bronzepony wrap-up for October 2025. And no, it's not Halloween themed because Halloween is going to be here in a couple days, so you won't have time to finish anything. However, I do have some pieces that would look really nice if you're in a rush and you want to do something at the last minute. I'll link those down below as well. But we are doing a Bronzepony wrap-up, sort of a continuation from last month's with mix and match or go with pieces. So on my channel, I generally do, I'll do like sets of tutorials. And what I've done is broken all those sets up and put them with other things. So, because you may not have thought of that, right? So this is the Empress necklace, and this is the amulet bracelet, and this is the Starlight brooch. Now, each one of these have pieces that are actually sets that go with them. Like there is a pendant for this, there is a bracelet for this, but I thought, let's take them apart. Let's see what else we can put with them that would look really pretty. So here we go. I'll just show you real quick up close. Here's your Empress necklace, and this is such a beautiful one. I love this one. And the amulet bracelet was a big hit. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, what if you did these in Christmas colors or Hanukkah colors or, whatever, holiday colors you love. So you can do that. And here is this is that little brooch, which I think is so, so pretty. Okay, next up we have the Seaglass bracelet. And this is from Seaside Dreams. Remember that collection? And we have a whole bunch of pieces in that collection that would go together, but I pulled these out. And these are called the Spring Equinox earrings, and I think they look beautiful with this. So there's so many things that you can mix and match. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that beautiful for the holidays? And this guy, love. So, so pretty. I love all these pieces, and I love them separately or together. And we do have, they each have their own pieces that sort of match, but I thought pull them out and let's put them, in different configurations. So here's our gorgeous Victorian slide bracelet and ring. And look how pretty it looks with moon rocks in turquoise. Isn't that gorgeous? We have this in brown. I think I might have done it in brown, or maybe I did it in turquoise. I'd have to look back. And then look at the gorgeous Sofia collar, which I thought these two look beautiful together. What if you wore them together? Like if you really, want to do over the top or somehow combine them. Wouldn't that be cool? Okay, next we have the Seaside Dreams pendant, the Spring Rain bracelet in white opal, and the Aurora bracelet in the turquoise. Aren't these beautiful? Now, I don't have a video for this particular configuration, but I'll have one coming down the line. And I think that we could possibly pop these in. These I don't have a video for either. These are the triangle brick stitch earrings, so I'll probably do a video on those as well down the road. Okay, next up we have the Hydrangea bracelet in turquoise, and I meant to show it to you with the Moon Rocks necklace because they're just perfect together. I think they look so, so pretty. Okay, next up we have the Sea Flower component, and that's this little one. We did that was with the Seaside Dreams collection as well. And then I put in the Europa cuff. And this is such a gorgeous bead embroidery piece. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love that. Now, these are a little out of sync. Actually, I think I meant to put this in one of the previous clips, but you'll have it there in case you would like to take a look at it. But really, really pretty. Okay, next up we have the Hydrangea bracelet in Plum. And it looks so different when you go from the turquoise to the plum. Look at that. I love the style of this bracelet, the big stone and, all the beads around it. And then look at the earrings. These are the Peyote tube earrings that we made a while ago. Now, these have a bracelet. A whole bunch of videos that actually match this, but I think it looks really pretty with this bracelet. And here's the Spring Rain twisted herringbone chain right here, and this is the Starlight brooch. I haven't put them together yet, but I thought that would make a really, really pretty necklace. Okay, next up I have the Moonrise pendant necklace, the Moonrise earrings, and what about throwing in the Sacred Iron bracelet with that? That would be cool. Pendant, which I just made, and I don't have a tutorial for, but I'm sort of liking how it looks, so I think it would look really pretty with the Stalactite earrings. Okay, next up we have the chrysanthemum pendant, and this is the sunflower, and here's the chrysanthemum sunflower and coneflower pendants. And well, we are matchy-matchy here, but I just had to put these out because here we made the earring to go with this one and the earring to go with this one. I didn't make the earring to go with this one yet, but the tutorials are all the same. So these are really, really pretty together. And then I did that same pair of earrings in the blue, and I think it looks so pretty with the Morning Mist wrap bracelet. So this is the wrap right here. Or you can even make this into a necklace. So this and this. And then this is the cabochon bezel, where it's the video where I showed a bezel any size round cabochon. And I think that would be really pretty as a necklace right here. Okay, next up we have the Beachcomber pendant, and it's on a leather cord, this one right here, and I never made the video for it, but I will eventually. And then the Beachcomber earrings, so kind of summery here. And I threw in the Seaglass bracelet because I think these look really beautiful together. Okay, that's your Bronzepony wrap-up for October 2025. I could have made this into 2 wrap-ups. I'm sorry it was so long. I just got carried away and had so much fun. And I could just rearrange everything again and show other, pieces that go with other pieces. So that's what's so great about designing, is that you can make one thing 5 years, prior, and it will go with something that you've made today. It's called, I think, timeless pieces, and that's what I really love to give to you guys. All right, so I want to thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.